This Memorial Day, I'm ditching burgers and hot dogs. Instead, we're cooking the best pork in the world. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today, we're grilling Iberico Presa with Cowboy Butter with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. We need to prep some ingredients before we start cooking, so let's get to that. We're going to use the Iberico Presa for this recipe, so let's open up the package. We need to trim off some of the excess fat, and now you can really see the marbling, the intramuscular fat. We're going to season it with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost, and then we can set it aside. Next, we want to chop 2 tablespoons of chives. We want to pick 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves. We also want to finely chop 4 tablespoons of parsley. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. All the ingredients are now prepped, so let's start cooking and grilling. We're going to melt 2 sticks of butter in a medium hot pan. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We also want to squeeze the juice from 1 lemon and stir. We're going to add the herb and spice mix and stir. And last but not least, we're going to season with salt and pepper. Then you can set this aside. We're going to place the Iberico Presa on the grill and just listen to that beautiful sizzle. We want to flip it over every 90 seconds or so it cooks evenly. And look at that beautiful caramelization. This is going to be amazing. When it reaches an inner temperature of 135, we can remove it from the grill. Now we want to slice it up into slices and season with some sea salt. I'm using Arctic thyme sea salt from Salt. Then it's time to dip the presa in the cowboy butter and enjoy a marvelous Memorial Day weekend. And that is how I make my grilled Iberico Presa with cowboy butter. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this. Let's give it a good dipping and see what it tastes like. Come on. This is so good. It's so flavorful, so rich. I really hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.